Good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Minor, minors and cofactor. What is the minor? The minor of small a11, minor of a11 means the corresponding row and corresponding column deleted. The remaining 2 by 2 matrix determinant. So the minor is denoted by capital M. Minor of small a11 is the capital M11, minor, capital. Cofactors. What is the definition of cofactor? Cofactor of small a11, cofactor of small a11 is equal to -1 whole power I plus j into m11, the cofactor. So today let us go to the next concept, adjoint and inverse of a matrix. Adjoint and inverse of a matrix. What is the adjoint of a matrix? What is the adjoint of a matrix? So the adjoint of a square matrix, okay, minor, cofactor, adjoint, inverse or anything, the totally only square matrix, only square matrix. The adjoint of a square matrix, capital A is equal to Aij. A ane matrix adjoint matrix is defined as the transpose of the matrix, capital Aij by n by n. Capital Aij is nothing but cofactor of element. Aij, cofactor of small aij is capital Aij. Cofactors transpose, simply the transpose of a cofactors of given matrix, transpose of each element cofactor. Find out, first we have to find out each element cofactor or transpose is called adjoint A. Simply transpose of the cofactors of an element is called the matrix, is called the adjoint A. So small capital Aij is a cofactor of the element of Aij. Aij gi cofactor anedi capital Aij. Adjoint of a matrix is defined by the minor of is denoted by capital Mij. Cofactor of Aij is denoted by capital Aij. So adjoint A is denoted by ADJ. ADJ means adjoint, simply adjoint A. Okay. Next, for example, let capital A11, A12, A13, this is the given matrix. So okay, first adjoint, how to find out adjoint matrix? First we have to find out the cofactors of each element in the given matrix. Okay, each element cofactor. Small a11 cofactor capital A11, A12 capital A12, A13 capital A13, small letter cofactor capital letter. So small A21 is important, 21 11 important. Okay, A21 capital A21, small A22 capital A22, cofactors, each element cofactor. So the cofactors transpose. Adjoint A is equal to transpose of cofactors matrix. A11, A12, A13, this matrix transpose. This matrix transpose is called adjoint. Transpose means what? Interchange the rows and columns. Transpose matrix. A matrix is said to be, a square matrix is said to be transpose means interchange the rows and columns. So first row A11, A12, A1, the row transfers into column A11, A12, A13, 1 1 1 2 1 3, 1 1 1 2 1 3, the row column. Transpose means interchange the rows and columns. So A21 2 2 2 3, 2 1 2 2 2 3, 3 1 3 2 3 3, 1 transpose. What is the meaning of adjoint A? Transpose of the cofactor of given matrix is called a adjoint A, simply. Okay. Inverse of a matrix. The inverse of a matrix, the inverse of A matrix is denoted by A inverse. Inverse of matrix A is A inverse. A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A. Here det A is not equal to 0. Det A equal to 0 means inverse does not exist. Det A equal to 0 means inverse does not exist. So note, if A, capital A be any given square matrix of order n, A is the square matrix of order n, A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to det A into I. Okay, the inverse of matrix is come from this condition, will come this condition. So A let's go to A, det A goes to right side, det A goes to left side. So adjoint A by det A is equal to I by A is equal to A inverse. So leave it. Next, singular matrix, non-singular matrix, singular matrix, non-singular matrix. A square matrix capital A is said to be singular when the given matrix singular if that A determinant of A is equal to 0, any square matrix only. Square matrix, first we have to find out that A, the given matrix, any given matrix is there. That given matrix we have to find out that A value, total value 0 means that given matrix is singular matrix. Determinant of A not equal to 0 means non-singular matrix. Equal means singular, not equal to 0. Determinant of A not equal to 0 means non-singular matrix. Means non-singular matrix. So some important result. A square matrix A is said to be non-singular if determinant of A not equal to 0. Okay. Note, if A and B are non-singular matrix, singular matrix, non-singular matrix. Singular means determinant 0, no use. Non-singular matrix of same order, then A into B, B into A are also non-singular matrix. A anedi non-singular, B anedi non-singular, then A into B is a non-singular matrix, B into A also non-singular matrix. A non-singular, B non-singular, multiply A into B. A into B is also non-singular, B into A is also non-singular. Second one, determinant of A into B is equal determinant of A into determinant of B. Okay. Next, where capital A and B are square matrix of same order, A, B are a square matrix of same order, determinant of A into B is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. A is a square matrix of order n. Very important result, one mark question result. If A is a square matrix of order n, determinant of adjoint A is equal to det A whole power n minus 1. Determinant of adjoint A is equal to det A whole power n minus 1. Fourth one, determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 by det A. ORR, determinant is nothing but DET. DET of A inverse is equal to 1 by det A. Next, det A, given matrix, how to det A formula. First column, along the first row. First row elements, what is the first row elements? A11, A12, A13. What is the determinant? That element into sum of the element into that cofactor. Small a11, small a1 element, that element cofactor, plus second element 1 2 cofactor into. So third element 1 3 element into cofactor. Sum of the product of element and that element cofactor. This is along the first row, this is along the second row, along the third row. Okay. Next one, sixth one, property. Determinant of A is equal to determinant of A transpose, where A is a square matrix of order n. Already this is yesterday. I will explain. Yesterday I was explained. Okay, yesterday explained, and this also explained. This totally 5 1 to 5 6 important points. The one mark question in your examination, one mark question is depending on the 6 formulas, 99%. Okay, so this is the adjoint and inverse of matrix A, and definitions and some more points, important points, and singular non-singular definitions. This is okay. Next, go to the problems. Okay, determinant of A is equal to this is along the first row plus minus plus, so 1 plus 1 into the corresponding row and column 2 4 0 5. next minus 2 into e minus 2 corresponding row and column 0 4 0 5 0 4 0 5. next plus 3 into the 3 plus 3 the corresponding row column row 0 to 0 0 0 to 0 0. so that is equal to 1 into 2 into 5 10 minus 0. next minus 2 into 0 3 into 0 minus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 that is equal determinant of A is equal to 10. so next adjoint A. okay, that A completed. adjoint A is equal to what? Transpose of the cofactors. Transpose of the cofactor of each element in the given matrix. so 1 2 3. first this is A11. so first next adjoint kada A is equal to, so 1 2 3 1 2 3 0 2 4 0 0 5. this is plus minus plus, okay, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. so the first one A11 A12 A13. next A21, next A31 A32 A33. this is A21 A22 A23. so the cofactor of A11 is capital A11 is equal to minus 1 whole power I plus j 1 plus 1. actual cofactor formula Aij is equal to minus 1 whole power I plus j into M11. okay, so minus 1 whole power minus 1 whole square into M11. M11 means the corresponding column, the corresponding row deleted. 2405 this one 2405. what is the minor? Minor is nothing but the corresponding row and corresponding column deleted, the remaining 2 by 2 matrix determinant 2405. so that is equal to minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 into 10 is equal to 10 cofactor. next same the cofactor of A12 is capital A12. capital A12 is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 into M12. so minus 1 whole cube into the 2, this is 2 corresponding row and corresponding column 0405 0405. so that is equal to 0. okay, same the cofactor of A13 is equal to is capital A13 is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 3 into M12, that element corresponding column row deleted 0 to 0 0 0 to 0 0. so that is equal to 0, the determinant 0. next the cofactor of first row completed. next second row A21 is capital A21 minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 into determinant of the element column, the element row related 2305 2305. that is equal to minus 1 into 10 is equal to minus 10. Minus 1 whole power 3. Minus 1 whole power 3 minus 1 2 into 5 10 cross multiplication 0. So next the A22. A22 is equal to capital A22. So minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2 into this is A22. A22 ఈ కాలము ఈ రో డిలీటెడ్ రిమైనింగ్ 1305. 1305. So that is equal to 1 into 5 equal to 5. Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2. Minus 1 whole power even number is equal to 1. 1 into 5 0 5. Next to A23. A23 is equal to 3. Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 3. A23. A23 this one element. E column e row. Column row. 1 2 0 0. 1 2 0 0. So that is equal to 0 because 1 into 0 0 minus 0 into 2 equal 0. Second row completed. Next third row. The cofactor of A31 is capital A31. Capital A31 is equal to minus 1 whole power 3 plus 1 into this is A31. The column, the row deleted 2 3 2 3 2 4 2 3 2 4 that is equal to 8 minus 6 2. 2 into 4 8 minus 6 2 minus 1 whole power 4 and 1. Next A32. A32 this is A32. A32 is equal to minus 1 whole power 3 plus 2 into determinant of this is 3 2. The column, the row, column row deleted 1 3 0 4. 1 3 0 4. So that is equal to minus 4. Minus 1 whole power 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1 into 4 4 minus 0 equal to minus 4. Next to A33. Next to last one A33. A33 is equal to minus 1 whole power 3 plus 3 into A33 capital A33. This is the column, the corresponding column and row. Next to 1 2 0 2. 1 2 0 2. So that is equal to 2. Minus 1 whole power 3 plus 3 is equal to minus 1 whole power 6 equal to 1. Cross multiplication 1 into 2 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So this is the final one. First two cofactors. The cofactors of A is equal to first row wise first three rows 10 0 0 10 0 0. Okay, next second row 10 0 0 minus 10 5 minus 10 5 minus 10 5 0 minus 10 5 0. Second row. Third row is 3 1 3 1. This is 2 minus 4 2 minus 4 2 minus 4. This is last one 3 1 2 3 2 minus 4 3 3 2. This is cofactor. So adjoint A is equal to transpose 10 0 0 minus 10 5 0 2 minus 4 2. This transpose of cofactor matrix. So that is equal to column, whether row convert into column 10 0 0 row column. Next minus 10 5 0. Next 2 minus 4 2. This is adjoint A. So finally A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A. Det A value first to det A value is equal to 10. So A inverse is equal to what? Adjoint A by det A. So what 1 by 10. 1 by det A. Det A is equal to 10 into adjoint A. This is adjoint A matrix. 10 minus 10 2 0 5 minus 4 0 0 2. This one. First A inverse 2 by 2 matrix emo direct ga the interchange the first and last element, and the remaining elements only sign will be change will change. Next 3 by 3 matrix inverse, first determine to each element cofactor. Each element cofactor formula minus 1 whole power I plus j into minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor. Minor is only that element corresponding element row and column deleted. The remaining 2 by 2 determinant is called a minor. So this one. Okay. So 8 to 9 to 10 to 11 up to 11, 5 completed, 7 completed, now 6 to 8 to 9 10, 6 to 8 to 9 10 11. These all are 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix inverse. Okay, the remaining problems are we have to homework. Okay, so procedure same. Again will inverse procedure will come next to solve the inequations, solve the linear inequations. Okay. Thank you.